Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to make walls and the various techniques and tips and tricks that we will use in making walls of a house. First of all, you have to select REC and then enter, then first click and right click and put dimensions. I will go with 25 feet in length and 45 feet in width, and it will give you a rectangle that we will use to make wall. And I had not given you a details about how to make all these changes and tips and tricks that we will use in making a walls. First we have to type O for an offset and then hit enter, and you just have to specify the distance or the thickness of a wall. Then I will just go with 9 inches and then enter, and automatically it will give us the wall of 9 inches all over the boundary. And then you have to select all this and then X and then type X for explode command and then enter. Then it will not be uh, an entity or an object. It will divide all these lines. So first we have to uh, go with offset command again, and then I will go with 10 feet, enter, and then it will automatically give us the option of line. It will give us the space which is 10 feet in length. Then I will go with uh, 20 feet and then type O for offset distance and then 9 and enter. And these are some of the walls that we will use for making our external walls and internal walls as well. So I will divide it and use and then offset again 9 inches and enter. And then I will use one of the commands that I haven't used yet. So I will type ER for trim command and then just enter and select all those points that we have to cut. And these will be all. This is the trim command that I am using joining the wall. I'm just using offset and trim command for making such type of walls for our house. So if you want to move a wall, then you just have to select it and then type M and then move it to the dimension that you have to move it, like I would move it 1 feet, and then it will automatically get moved. And then you just have I will use another technique which I haven't used yet, so I will go with F, and this will be the fillet that will join our corners. So I will type F and then I just have to select first object and then second object, and it will automatically be joined. So then you have to save this drawing, so I will save it for the purpose that it wouldn't be crashed. So I had saved it. Then you have to label these spaces that we have just made. So I will go with text command and then I will go with multi-line text, and just it will give you a rectangle and you just have to make it according to your scale of building. Or and I will go with bedroom -1, and when you click it, it wouldn't show you the exact appearance of your lettering, I would say, in architectural terms. So then you just have to select it and right click it and then go to quick properties, and you just have to change text height. I would go with 8 inches because this is the standard for drawing. So once you will enter it, it will automatically be good in appearance. And you just have to select it and use copy command CO and then enter, and it will automatically be copied, and you just have to place it in the spaces that you just have made. And when you had just done it, then this won't be the bedroom 1, all wouldn't be bedrooms, so you just have to click it and change it. I will go with bedroom 2. This would be the living area. You just have to double click it and it will open the text option. So this is the living area, this one is the kitchen, this one would be the lawn, this one will be the post. And then just when I had done it, then I will directly click on close text editor, and then it will automatically be as good, and then just type Control S for saving the changes that you just had made. So thank you for your time, and I hope it would be beneficial for you. Allah Hafiz, and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.